Hello Surveyaan 3s. In this video, we will see how the new feature works. The new safety feature that has been added lets the drone return to home at custom battery percentage. This is for users who have old batteries that got degraded. Degraded batteries have less flying time, so the user can return to home at their own custom battery percentage. Please note that the range for RTH for this feature is between 28 to 60%. Suppose you want the drone to return to home at 60%, you can give 60 here. Right now, the battery is at 73%. I am fast forwarding the simulation here. Here, as you can see, just when the battery reaches 60%, the drone is returning to home. We can confirm the mode by seeing R on top right of the screen. R means return to home. With this, we come to the end of the video. And thank you for watching the video.